How to fix iPhone apps stuck on loading. If some specific apps are lagging or getting stuck on loading, then you need to check for updates. Open App Store on your device and search for the app. After searching for the app, look for any kind of updates that may be available for the app. If you see any kind of updates available, then make sure to update your app. Now go to Settings. Click on the Wi-Fi option. If your app uses internet connection to open, then make sure to check for Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have a good internet connection before opening the app. If your current network is lagging, then forget the network and re-add the same network or a different one. Now go to the General option. After that, click on Software Update. Make sure that your device is updated to the latest version. Go back on the Settings page and click on Screen Time. Inside Screen Time, scroll down to the bottom and click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Just make sure that this option is turned off. Now go back to your General option and scroll down. Here select the option Transfer or Reset iPhone and click on Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Once you do this, then give your device a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. So that's all for today. Thank you.